You can organize your fridge with Shinlendid non-slip fridge liners. These liners are a game changer. They measure 17 inches by 30 feet. This size is super versatile. You can cut them to fit any shelf. They also work great in drawers. Think of them as a gentle cushion. They protect surfaces. Food also stays put. No more rolling lemons. Furthermore, spills are no problem. The liners are absorbent. They trap messes. This keeps your fridge clean. Plus, they're washable. Just wipe them down. Then, they are good as new. Shinlendid non-slip fridge liners keep food fresh. This is a huge benefit. They help fruits and vegetables produce lasts longer. It's like a tiny oasis. Your greens stay crisp. Berries avoid bruising. Consequently, you waste less food. Your groceries stretch further. These liners are white. They look neat and clean. They blend into any decor. They also come in various sizes. You can find the perfect fit. Therefore, every part of your fridge is covered. I highly recommend Shinlendid non-slip fridge liners. They are a smart investment. They simplify fridge upkeep. Cleaning becomes much easier. They are durable too. They hold up well. Moreover, they are affordable. You get great value. Overall, these liners are fantastic. They truly transform your refrigerator. You will love the organization. Also, your food will thank you. Pros: easy to use, easy to fit on the shelves, works great, looks awesome, product was as described. Durable and easy to cut, great product, looks so fresh and clean, nice quality, cleans up easy. Enough, soft and nice, great liners. Cons: doesn't fit glass shelves well, need to cut 2 pieces, doesn't fit properly, edges start to curl up, pushed around settling at odd angles. Features: non-slip design, 17 inches wide, 30 feet long roll, absorbent material, for fridge shelves. For fridge drawers, keeps produce fresh, various sizes available, washable and reusable, clean. White color. The Shinlendid refrigerator liner is a white non-slip mat that comes in a roll 17 inches wide and 30 feet long. It's designed to line fridge shelves and drawers. The material soaks up spills and helps keep fruits and vegetables fresh. These liners can be cut to fit different sizes and are washable, so you can use them again and again. These Shinlendid refrigerator liners are a handy way to keep your fridge shelves clean and organized. They come in a large roll, 17 inches by 30 feet, that you can easily cut to size for your shelves and drawers. Many users found them durable, soft, and easy to clean, giving their fridge a fresh and clean look. They're also designed to be absorbent and help keep fruits and vegetables fresh. However, some people found they don't fit well on glass shelves, can slide around, and their edges might curl up over time, sometimes requiring you to use 2 pieces to cover a shelf.